All right, what's going on, traders? Happy Monday. It is currently Asia session, and our gold bot is currently in action right now. You can see right now that it is currently taking some trades. It actually layered into the second position right now with 0.15. And gold has just been going crazy lately. We've actually been having to make constant updates because gold keeps on breaking new all-time highs. If I head on over to the gold chart right now, I'm going to show you guys the bot currently in action. While it's trading, it is currently in a small drawdown right now of $200. Right now, it just got into the third layer. So this is the last layer before it goes into a stop loss. So if this layer does not win, it will actually go into a stop loss and take the loss. So on this 200K account, we have my first layer as 0.06, my second layer as 0.15, and my third layer as 0.38. We're going to see if it actually ends up winning this trade or we take a loss on this trade right now. So currently gold has had a historical run and it has just been a lot of work on our team. So after gold actually hit this all-time high on December 25th, it actually broke this previous all-time high. So we actually had to send out a new updated version of the bot. We sent out a message to all of our members back on, so this was the 26th of December. Happy holidays, everyone. Hope everyone had a great Christmas. As predicted, gold hit a new all-time high, $4,500 range. We sent out the new bots to everyone who purchased the bot. And this is back on the 26th of December. If you haven't received it yet, please send a DM. Well, what ended up happening is we thought that it would actually trade in this range right here from this 4,500 level back down to this 4,300 level. But instead, gold broke new highs again. So this is back on the 12th of January, 2026. So we ended up having to make a new update. And that is what our team does. We have to make constant updates whenever there are changes in the market structure so that the bot performs to its best ability. The gold bot is still currently in action. It's on the third layer, and it actually put in a buy position of 0.06 as well. The algorithm will trade in both directions and try to take profits. And let me show you some of the profits from just today. Today when Asia session opened, so far we made $948. So right when the market opened, there were no losses on the third layer. You can see all of these positions. We had some losses right there, and then we had a third layer right there, $236.74, and then $73 on the third layer right there, and then we had another win right there of $112.48, bringing our profit to $948 just for today. If I go to the history, for the last, let's say the last month. So for the last month, it's done about $41,000 since we put in a new update on this day. So the bot has just been on fire right now. I'll let you guys see the bot trading right now in live action while I go into some of the explanations of this bot. It is all 100% automated, and the max stop loss per day is going to be 1.5%. It is compatible with all different platforms, whether you're trading on MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, MatchTrader, or TradeLocker. And because with this new Trump administration, there's just constant news in the markets. Right now, Trump announced that he wanted to take Greenland. That's another reason why gold just spiked right when the market opened. You can see right here, gold hits record high on Trump's new tariff threat. And so this is exactly what happened. It rose more than 1%. Right when the market opens before slightly pulling back. With this new administration, we have to be completely aware of what's going on with all of the macroeconomics and all of the world events that are happening, because trading on technical analysis is not going to cut it, especially if you're trading on indices. I'm quite interested to see what's going to happen during New York opens. As you can see, the bot is trying to close on this third layer right now, not quite there yet. Monday is Martin Luther King holiday, and I'm quite interested to see what's going to happen when the markets open, especially within the tech stocks. I do hold a lot of tech stocks in my portfolio. So far, we've done about $41,000 in about 1 week, I'm going to say, in just about 1 week. Still currently in a slight drawdown. It actually put in a second layer on the buy position right now, so we'll see what happens with that. If I go on over to my social trader tool, here I'll be able to see that this is our Gold Zephyr version number 6 right now. We're currently on version number 6 of our trading bot. You can see that the profits are exactly the same. Let me refresh this. And you're going to be able to see that the profits are exactly the same, $242,301.38, just like right here, $242,301.38. Now, since we sent out the update, I mean, it has just been crazy. Look at the profits that it's made. Overall profits that it made is 24% in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in 7 trading days, it did 24% for a total profit of $42,000. Basically, if you guys were using this bot, it closed on the buy. You saw that. So on the buy, it actually ended up closing. So it took a profit of $31. Now we need this third position on this sell to actually close. But basically, if you guys were using this on a 200K account, you would have already passed your FTMO challenge in exactly 7 days. It would have taken you 7 days to pass, and you would have actually been in profit already. So for example, on this FTMO account, on phase 1, you would have to pass with $20,000. On phase 2, you would have to hit $10,000. That would be a total of $30,000 that you would actually have to hit for phase 1 and phase 2. Well, look what happened. We're already in $42,000 in profit. So that means that if you guys use this bot on your FTMO account, you would have already passed phase 1 and phase 2 and still be in profit of $12,000 in just 1 week. So it is still currently in some live trades. It took a buy right now, another buy right there. It took another buy position right there. It ended up closing that buy. So there it is, $8.16. And took another buy right now. This is how fast the bot works. And it just continues to put in all of these trades, scalping in and out of the market. That is why you're able to make so much profit in just a short time. So look at these profits already. And then just for today right now, so today we're close to hitting $1,000. Hopefully this third layer actually closes, but even if it doesn't, it is okay. So some people wonder if you're allowed to use this EA on prop firms. Yes, it is definitely possible. You can see that on Fund and Next. Is an EA allowed on Fund and Next? Yes, the Fund and Next allows the use of expert advisors, indicators, and trading bots on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Currently, this is on my MetaTrader 5 right now. I have it installed on my MT5, but if you guys are trading on a different platform, like I said, if you guys are trading on a different platform like this, then you guys can also use it. We have multiple trading compatibility that we can set you guys up with. So if you guys are tired of failing prop firms, or you guys are tired of manually trading, then this is the perfect bot for you. Like I showed you, we were able to hit $42,000 in just 1 week. You would have already passed your phase 1, phase 2, and still been able to be up over 5 figures in total profits. And when you guys do join, you guys will also have exclusive access to our community, where you guys will be sent to log in to our community, and then you guys will be able to get any kind of updated EA configurations that we actually make. We have to make configurations whenever there's a change in market structure. You can also access our group chat, and once you guys do access our group chat, you guys will be able to join our Telegram group chat with all of the other members. Last week, some of our members secured 5-figure payouts as well. One from Effexify for $21,000, and then another member received a $9,000 payout from FTMO. And we also offer exclusive services as well, where we automate your prop firm accounts. And this is one of the accounts from one of our members. You can see all of the payouts that this member has actually received on his account. So it's still in a drawdown, but overall, he has been able to make consistent payouts. Just in the month of January, he has secured over $30,000 in prop firm payouts. This member is actually funded across 4 different prop firms right now: FTMO, E8 Markets, Funding Pips. So if you guys would like to join our community and learn more, I have made weekly update videos on our gold trading bot, so you guys can check out all of the gold videos. In the last video, we hit $1 million in profits using our gold bot, and you can check out this video right here. It ended up closing it. We ended up taking a loss on the 3rd layer, so that sucks. Yeah, so you can see, all right, it ended up closing the 3rd layer. You can see that, so it went live. Let me see. It took in another buy position right there. So this is the worst case scenario. You can see that it actually closed the 3rd layer. So this was the 3rd layer, 0.38. So we lost 117, 168, and $83 right there. So now our total profits for today has probably dropped. So it dropped to $630, but it's okay. You can see that it actually put in another trade. So this is how this bot actually works, just scalping in and out of the markets. Risk management is all built in. You do not need to do anything. Of course, there are going to be some losses with the trades, but this is the worst case scenario. So that is why, because we have designed the bot like this, where the third layer closes the trade if it doesn't go in our favor, that is why we rarely hit a 1.5% drawdown. In order for me to hit a max stop loss of 1.5% in a given day, this scenario would actually have to happen multiple continuous times in a single day, and it has rarely happened in that way. Still up $630, still up $40,000 in just 1 week. The bot has now put in its second layer of 0.15. But back to our community. If you guys would like to learn more, make sure you guys check out this video right here where we hit close to $1 million in total profits using our gold trading bot. And if you guys would like to learn more, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your automated trading journey.